Despite One Piece approaching its grand finale, a lot of fans still don't see how the series can come to a close quite yet. There are a great number of plot threads that need to be tied up before the incredibly popular series concludes, including the matter of who the final antagonist will be. With Luffy currently throwing himself against Kaido and Charlotte Linlin, two of the four Emperors of the Sea, it's clear that these two won't be the last villains in One Piece's final arc. So, if not either of them, who will be? There are two primary candidates for the final adversary of the long-running pirate saga. One of the most iconic of One Piece's villains who remains at large is Marshall D. Teach. The man responsible for Whitebeard's death and Ace's imprisonment, Teach, also known as Blackbeard, is responsible for some of the biggest disasters to befall the Straw Hats. As one of the four Emperors of the Sea, or Yonko, he's led the world to ruin over the course of the series. On top of that, he's the villain Luffy is most emotionally invested in conquering because of his aforementioned nefarious deeds and, despite numerous confrontations with the Straw Hats over the years, he remains a powerful threat. On top of that, Teach possesses two devil fruit powers, both his original Yami Yami no Mi, which reduces what he touches to nothing, and Whitebeard's stolen Gura Gura no Mi, which creates earthquakes. It is possible that Blackbeard has grown even more powerful since he last slew Whitebeard. It's very likely that he'll be on a collision course with Luffy and friends as they reach Gol D. Rogers' treasure, One Piece. At present, Teach is pursuing some other treasure or objective that the Marines also seek, taking him off to another destination away from the main story. This other objective might be what Luffy and the Straw Hats pursue after handling Kaido at Wano. While Teach is a major adversary, it's possible that he won't be the true final antagonist. That honor might go to the shadowy figure known as Eam. Eam was introduced relatively recently as the mysterious overlord of the world government. They sit upon the empty throne, an enigmatic position of power shrouded from public view. While the five elders bow to them, few even know that they exist. Their position puts them in charge of one of the biggest organizations in One Piece's world, as well as one that comes into direct conflict with Teach, who is also out trying to beat the world government's Marines towards an unknown objective. However, we know precious little about Eam. We don't know their powers or their abilities. We know they have posters of the Straw Hats and Teach on their walls that they've cut up, indicating that they have issues with both. But we don't know why the world government and the five elders show them such respect. It's uncertain if they will pose a physical or psychological threat to the pirates, assuming they haven't been secretly manipulating events thus far all along. The most likely scenario for One Piece's endgame is war. There are numerous big players currently lining up to fight with one another, from the Blackbeard pirates to the Marines to Mihawk and Shanks and many others. This coming bust-up will be drastically impacted once the Straw Hats finish their business on Wano. What is highly likely is that the grand finale of One Piece will pit Luffy against both of his longest-running antagonists, the world government, led by Eam, and Marshall D. Teach. Maybe we will be served a family reunion, where Luffy will fight with his father. Sounds epic, right? While at the same time depending or conflicting with many of his crew's longest-lasting allies, he finally finds out the location of Gol D. Rogers' most valuable treasure, One Piece.